A pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is put these in a pairing mode, okay? Now we'll know these are in pairing mode if both of these blinking blue, 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 okay? You can see mine here. I got a solid blue light and then they turned off. There's a solid blue light again. It's not blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, solid blue light and then it turns off. The reason for me is because it's connected to one of my phones or another TV. So what I got to do is manually put this into pairing mode. So how do I manually put this in a pairing mode? Is I can either use the right or the left ear, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to use the right here. What I got to do is see the JBL logo right there. I got to tap and hold and keep holding until both of these start blinking blue. Or if it was in my ear, I would hear it say pairing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tap. Ready? Tap and then tap and hold. Now keep holding for like 7-8 seconds and just wait till it starts blinking blue. There we go. Or it also says pairing if it was in your ear. So now these are in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our Samsung TV. Just go to settings. If you have the settings button on your remote, you can go there. If not, just go to the home page like this here and then move over to the left. Move over to the left and you can see settings right there. Let's go to settings. And then move over. We're going to go to all settings right there. Let's select that. Okay, so from here, we're going to go down to sound right there. We're going to select it. And now it says sound output to TV speaker. So the audio is coming out of my TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these earbuds. So let's select sound output. And then we're going to go to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me within like 30 feet, which is like basically Bluetooth range, okay? So they're still in a pairing mode. Now let me just keep going down. Let's see if it found it. Hey, what do you know? And it says needs pairing. So we're gonna, let's highlight it. Let's select it. Pair and connect. Let's select it again. Connecting to JBL Endurance Peak 4 and voila. We are connected, ready to go. You can see it says connected. Now, if you had trouble where you couldn't pair or connect for some reason, or you couldn't get this in a pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description below.